Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we'll explore the magic of artificial intelligence, unraveling its mysteries and examining its impact on our world. With 30 questions, you'll have 10 seconds to answer each one, so grab something to keep track of your answers. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a tech professional, or just curious about how AI is shaping our future, this quiz is for you. Let's dive into the world of AI together. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What does AI stand for? Artificial intelligence, or automated intelligence. It's A. Which of these is not an AI application? Facial recognition, or writing a letter by hand. The answer is B, writing a letter by hand. What is the main goal of AI? To make machines think like humans, or to play video games? The answer is A, to make machines think like humans. Which AI technology powers virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri? Machine learning, or natural language processing? The answer is B, natural language processing. Can you guess the famous person by emoji? Yes, it's Neil Armstrong. Which of these is a popular use of AI in entertainment? Predicting the weather, or recommending music or movies? Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. What is the Turing test used to measure? A machine's intelligence, or a machine's processing speed? The answer is A. Which company created the AI assistant Siri? Google or Apple? You are amazing! The answer is B, Apple. What is an AI-powered chatbot used for? Creating websites or talking to people automatically? Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Did you know the world's fastest supercomputer, Fugaku in Japan, is capable of performing over 442 quadrillion calculations per second? It's more powerful than the next 100 supercomputers combined. Which of these is an AI application in healthcare? Analyzing medical images, or giving medical advice directly? Yes, you got it! Which of the following is an example of AI used in smartphones? auto-correcting text, or turning on the Wi-Fi automatically. Yes, you got it! What is machine learning? Computers learning without human help, or computers learning from data. Yes, you got it! You are amazing! Which of these AI technologies is commonly used in healthcare? Computer vision or natural language processing? The answer is A, computer vision. It's gift time! Ready to get a surprise gift? Choose a number from 1 to 3 and let's see what you win. If you have selected Gift 1, mention your favorite AI app or software and find more people who likes the same. If you have selected Gift 2, share your thoughts on AI in future and we will mention it in the next video. If you have selected Gift 3, sorry it's an empty box, better luck next time. Which of the following is a benefit of AI in customer service? Answering questions 24/7 or making customers wait longer. It's A, answering questions 24/7. Which AI application helps recommend online products? Natural language processing or machine learning? You are amazing! What is a popular AI-powered feature in online shopping? Personalized product recommendations or making payments faster? The answer is A, personalized product recommendations. Which of the following can AI use to recognize objects in photos? Computer vision or natural language processing? Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which of these is a key benefit of AI in education? Making students write essays or personalized learning experiences? It's B. Which of the following is an AI application used in email? Sorting and filtering emails, or writing emails automatically? The answer is A. Which of these is an AI application in gaming? AI-powered NPCs, non-player characters, or automatically creating game levels? Yes, you got it! It's A! Which AI technology is responsible for recommending shows on Netflix? Machine learning or virtual reality? Yes, you got it. It's A, machine learning. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! What can AI do to improve the shopping experience? Suggest products based on previous purchases, or create shopping lists automatically. The answer is A. Suggest products based on previous purchases. Which AI-powered system is used to assist with voice commands? Siri or Google Assistant? Or Zoom? The answer is A. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! Which of the following is an example of AI in smart homes? Thermostats adjusting temperature automatically, or vacuuming floors manually? Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Which of these is a common use of AI in smartphones? Unlocking the phone using facial recognition, or making calls automatically? Unlocking the phone using facial recognition. Would you rather have a robot that does all your household chores, or an AI tutor that can teach you any skill instantly? What is deep learning in AI? Learning that requires no data, or a type of AI where machines learn from large amounts of data. The answer is B. What role does AI play in predictive analytics? It helps predict future events based on past data, or it creates random predictions without data. It's A. It helps predict future events based on past data. Which of the following is not an example of an AI-assisted product? Smart home voice assistants, or ordinary kitchen appliances like a blender? It's B. Ordinary kitchen appliances like a blender. What is one of the major challenges faced by AI in understanding human emotions? Lack of data, or difficulty in recognizing nonverbal cues like facial expressions? Yes, you got it! The answer is B. True or false time. Is this statement true or false? Artificial intelligence, AI, can now write novels that are indistinguishable from those written by humans? Yes, you are right. It's false. While AI can assist in writing and generate coherent text, novels created by AI still lack the depth and emotional nuance of human written works. What is artificial general intelligence, AGI? AI that mimics specific tasks, or AI that can understand and learn any task like a human? Yes, you got it! Which of these AI models is most often used for generating human-like text? GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or CNN, Convolutional Neural Networks? You are amazing! You got it! The answer is A. That's a wrap on our AI adventure. Hope you upgraded your knowledge and had a blast! If you're craving more tech-savvy content, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. New explorations coming soon. See you in the next one.